Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing. We just got in the new Tivo Stream 4K. Now this is not your traditional Tivo box. It's an Android TV on a dongle, and we're going to have a full review of this soon on the main channel at lon.tv. Now I do want to let you know, in the interest of full disclosure, that I paid for this with my own funds. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own. Nobody is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing it or approving it before it gets uploaded. So let's get into the box here and see what we got inside. So the first thing here is the remote control. And I've been reading some things about this, and everyone's been raving about this remote control being nicer than the usual ones we typically see on these Android TV boxes. This, by the way, right now is about $50, and then it's going to go up to, I think, $70 once it gets more out there in the marketplace. So it's kind of an introductory price. And it looks like they're trying to get people into the Sling TV packages. So this might be partially kind of subsidized by that. So here you go. It looks kind of like a Tivo remote, actually. It's very nice for the price point here. You've got your Netflix button here that they sponsored, along with the voice commands for the Google Assistant. And of course, we'll be testing out all of this stuff in the full review. So that's your remote. Feels very nice there. This is the unit itself, and a little larger than it looked like in the picture, actually. It's kind of a disjointed two square rectangle things stacked on top of each other, I guess. We've got a couple of ports here, a USB Type-C port. We'll see if we can plug some Ethernet into that. And it looks like your power goes back over here on the rear of the device, and this is a USB micro connector. And you've got your HDMI here to plug into the TV. And I'm hoping there's some kind of HDMI extender in the box, because I don't like having these big heavy things hanging off my HDMI ports if I don't have to. So we'll see what else is in here. So let's take a look on the overhead shot here and pick out some other things in the box. So this is your power cable, and it looks decently long. You could power this off your TV if it's providing enough amperage over the USB port. And here is the power adapter. And this looks to me, let's see, here it is on the back here. This looks to me like a 1 amp 5 volt output. So this should be able to be powered by most TV's USB ports. So you may not even need the power connector here. But there is no HDMI extender. I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing, but it would have been nice to have that extension option. You can always buy one third party, which again I would suggest you do, just to keep the weight off your HDMI connectors in the back of your TV. Batteries here for the remote control. You got your moisture packet, and then a setup guide here as well. So we're going to get this thing tested now, and then when I am done and satisfied I understand how this works, we'll have a full review up again on my main channel at lon.tv. So stay tuned, more to come on this.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Rick Vestudo, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.